Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bizarre Adventure. First, you'll want to select your character and enter the game. Familiarize yourself with the movement controls, typically WASD, and how to interact with objects or NPCs. Your initial goal is to find the main quest giver, often marked on your screen, to accept your first mission and start earning rewards. This will set you on the path to becoming a powerful player. A key element of Bizarre Adventure is acquiring your stand, which grants unique powers for combat. You can typically obtain a stand by using a stand arrow or sometimes a Rockakaka fruit, found through quests or drops. The rarity of your stand significantly impacts its strength and the abilities it possesses. Experiment with different stands to find one that suits your playstyle and helps you dominate battles. Mastering combat is essential for progression. Each stand has a unique set of abilities, so take time to understand what they do and their cooldown periods. Practice combining your stand's abilities with your basic light and heavy attacks to create powerful combos. Remember to utilize blocking and dodging mechanics to mitigate damage and gain an advantage over your opponents. Strategic combat will lead to many victories. To become truly powerful, focus on progression and upgrades. Continuously complete quests and defeat enemies to earn experience points, which allow you to level up. Allocate your skill points wisely to improve your character's stats and unlock new stand abilities. Gather in-game currency and valuable items to purchase better equipment and further enhance your stand's capabilities. Consistent effort will make you a formidable force.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.